This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix unable to install FIFA mobile app from App Store problem. So if you're trying to install the FIFA mobile app but you see the app is not installing on your iPhone, don't worry. You can follow the simple steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check the app requirement. Open App Store and open the FIFA app and scroll down. Inside of app information section, tap on this drop down and here you will be able to see the app capability requirement. If your iPhone needs to be updated, then update your iOS version and then try to reinstall the app. And the second solution is enable app download. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on App Store. Inside of mobile data, tap on app downloads and here select always allow and then try to reinstall the FIFA app. And the third solution is check your internet connection. Make sure to use a strong internet connection, and to check your internet is working or not, open a browser and simply open a random website. If it's working properly, then try to reinstall the FIFA app. And also you can switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi or cellular. And the next solution is turn off the restriction mode. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, disable content and privacy restriction, and then try to reinstall the FIFA app. And the next solution is check your iPhone storage. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, make sure to free up your iPhone storage by offloading or uninstalling unwanted apps. So free up your iPhone storage and try to reinstall the FIFA app. And the last solution is try a different Apple ID. If you have multiple Apple IDs, then go to your App Store. Then tap on your profile photo at the top right. Scroll down and tap on sign out. Once you signed out, then log into your another Apple ID and then try to reinstall the FIFA app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.